Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. During the recent past, we have been keeping you updated regarding some developments concerning the trial and out-of-state witnesses in Idaho versus Kohberger. If you have not yet had an opportunity to listen to our most recent content, which went over Judge Stephen J. Hippler's certification as a district court judge that was submitted to the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania relative to 5 trial witnesses the court described as having material knowledge relative to the matters at issue in the forthcoming trial. Please do so, because I think it will help to provide further insight into this content that we're presenting to you today. There has been a file that has now been opened in a 3rd state, following the states of Nevada, Pennsylvania. This is in Washington. There are multiple files for potential trial witnesses to appear in Idaho for the trial. I would like to share with you one. This is a matter that was opened in late May 2025. This relates to a prospective trial witness. First name is Timothy. We've redacted his last name for privacy purposes, although this is a public record available to you if you would like to read the entire document. But what I wanted to bring to your attention, according to the docket, it appears that there is a hearing coming up on June 25th, 2025, regarding Timothy's prospective appearance at trial across the border in Idaho. What I wanted to bring to your attention is, once again, on this docket, there's the use of the term material witness for the trial that is currently scheduled to commence August 11th, 2025, per Judge Stephen J. Hippler's pre-trial and trial order that was filed shortly after change of venue occurred last October. Now, caveat being, there is a hearing on the defense's motion to adjourn, to continue the trial date that is set to occur later this month, June 18th, 2025. But unless Judge Hippler grants that continuance, this trial is set for August 11th, 2025, with voir dire, which is the process of jury selection, rapidly approaching on July 30th, 2025. So once again here, as we saw with the matters regarding 5 separate witnesses in Pennsylvania, is the use of the term material, that this potential witness has some material knowledge. Once further developments happen following this hearing on the 25th of June, we will report back to you. In the interim, if you have any comments, please leave them here. All of your feedback is appreciated. And if you do like our content, please, I would appreciate it if you could hit the like button. And finally, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, because matters are currently very rapidly occurring in this case. And if you do subscribe to the channel, you will receive updates when we produce more content. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us today.